Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. This session we will still continue on discussing about PW analysis of different life alternatives. In previous session we have discussed the first approach, using LCM, and then in this session we will look at the second approach using the study period for different life alternative problems. Okay, so PW evaluation using a study period. So once a study period is specified, all the cash flow after this time are ignored or discarded or will eliminate. And the salvage value is estimated market value at the end of study period. Means, let's say that the life of the alternative is 10 years, but when the study period has been specified into 5 years, so what happened after year 5 or after 5 years will be ignored, and the market value will be calculated based on year 5. Yeah, so that's roughly what's study period approach in solving different life alternative problems. Yeah, and this study period approach commonly used in equipment replacement analysis that we will cover in the next chapter soon. Okay, so how this technique study approach being applied? So we look one example, and we still use the same example that we have did with the LCN approach. So we have machine A 3 years and machine B 6 years as a different life alternative. So in the previous LCM approach, we have to get the LCM value, which is 6 years. But now we are using the study period approach, which the study period has been specified for only 3 years. Yeah. Means cash value after the 3 years will be eliminated. Yeah. And the new salvage value or market value at year 3 will be determined for machine B, because machine B have 6 years life, but the market value will be determined based on at year 3, which is now is 10,000, and this will be translated into the cash flow diagram. Cash flow diagram. So this is the cash flow diagram. Okay, so machine A for 3 years, machine B, original machine B alternative is 6 years. 6 years, but we have discarded what happened after year 3, because we have specified the study period only for 3 years. So what happened after 3 years will be eliminated or discarded. Yeah, so that's why you can see here this is the new market value after year 3. So based on this cash flow diagram for machine A and machine B, we develop the equation, find the PW for machine A for 3 years, and find the PW for machine B also for 3 years. And this is the equations for machine A, yeah, and this is equation for machine B, yeah, and we solve this equation and determine the present worst value for machine A and present worst value for machine B. So shows that the present worst value for machine A is negative 39376, and the present worst value for machine B is negative 39895. So there are marginally or slight difference between these two values, but it shows that now the present worst value for A is a better option compared to present worst value for B. So we select A if using the study period only for 3 years. So that's how we implement the uh, study period approach. Yeah. So again, I like to wrap up back what we have discussed on PW for different life alternative. Back to our discussion here, the PW for different life alternative. So we have two approach to solve it. First, using the LCM approach. So we need to have the LCM value for the alternative that we compare. Yeah. So that's a one approach. Or there are another approach using the study period that we have discussed in this session. Yeah, how to use the study period approach to solve the different life alternative problems. Yeah, uh, the idea is when we're using the study period, we have to specify the study period, and the cash flow after the study period will be discarded or we eliminate. Yeah, so that's the idea on study period approach. Okay. So the next session we will discuss one example that use both LCM approach and study period approach. So thank you.